Okay, P2P is the process of obtaining and managing the raw material needed to manufacturing product and providing services. P2P cycle is material requirement planning, purchase requisition, request for quotation, vendor selection, purchase order. T code is ME21N, goods receipt MIGO, invoice receipt MIRO, payment to vendor F-53 or F110, and reconciliation. From material requisition plan MRP to purchase order, there is no accounting entries. From GR to reconciliation, we have accounting entries. At the time of goods receipt, MI T code is MIGO. Inventory account data to GRIR clearing account. At the time of invoice receipt, MIRO is the T code. GRIR clearing account data to vendor account.
See a remarkable change in the
Vendor
way
payment F-53 or F110 is the T code. Vendor account data to bank clearing account. Reconciliation bank clearing account data to main bank account.
have done so by working on
This is the P2P process.
They become great at expressing their ideas. Look, I can say this with confidence because I have first worked on myself and then a lot of students